Once you log into sched.com from your computer, you can click on the Schedule tab to see all of the available sessions we have for you on August 4th of this year. If you'd like to get more specific and find sessions that are more closely related to what you're going to be working with this year, come over here to the right on the filter types. We have filters for all grades and staff, so if you don't find anything that fits what you need to do in the rest of the sections, you can come back to this. We do have sessions for early childhood and pre-K, K through 2nd, K through 5, 2nd through 8th, 6th through 8, 6 through 12, or 9 through 12. If you click on one of these tabs here, you can see all the different subject areas. We have sessions available for you at that level. If you continue on down, you can find the different role groups. So if you are an adaptive PE, or a family liaison, or a nurse, you can find all the different sessions available for you over there. Continuing on down, there's the session types. Maybe you only want to do the 80-minute workshop sessions, so you can click on that and see all of those. Clicking on the PD focus area, you can see all the different focus types we have. If you click on the popular sessions, you can find stuff that's already starting to fill up fast or is already full. So you can try and make sure you get into some of these and save your spot right away. We'll see you on August 4th.